If we look at the total area, we see that it is the smallest in arteries, whether large arteries or small arteries. We don't have a large surface area of arteries. As we go into arterioles, the total surface area is increasing to reach a maximum at the capillaries. And this makes sense because the capillaries are the ones where we will have diffusion. And from everything we've been talking about so far, we've talked about diffusion in a lot of different chapters. Diffusion needs a high surface area, so it makes sense. And as the capillaries fuse into venules, we have a decreasing total area to reach minimum again in the veins. And these are the different characteristics of the different types of blood vessels. And you can see that everything makes sense. In the capillaries, we have high surface area, low blood pressure, low velocity. In the arteries, we have high velocity, high pressure. In the veins, we have high velocity even though we have low blood pressure. And this is because of the adaptations of the veins that are having the valves and being situated between large muscles.